Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi and what to do if you are connected but have no access to the web services on your Panasonic TV. So first of all, to connect to a Wi-Fi, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen, then open all settings menu and then go to Network and Internet. Then select the network that you want to connect to and then provide a password to it using your D-pad to navigate through these keys, and OK button to select the key that you want to enter. And once you enter your password, navigate to OK button in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Wait until you are connected to the network. And if you see connected successfully, that means that you are connected right now. But if you have, if your connection doesn't say connected but limited connection, then in such case, check if you can access your web services. If you cannot, then first step will be one of the most common solutions. Changing your date and time. To change your date and time, go to System menu in Settings, then go to Date and Time menu. Then if your date and time aren't set automatically, so automatic date and time is set to off, then change it to Use Network Provided Time, and then do the same thing with your time zone. Let it use broadcast provided time. But if your automatic date and time are enabled, but you can see that your date and your time are incorrect, so they do not match your actual date and time, then you're going to have to manually change date and time on your TV. So first of all, disable automatic date and time, and then in set date, select the current date. So to select any value, you can use up and down arrow keys on your D-pad, and using left and right arrow keys, you can navigate between types of values, so month, day, and year. In my case, in your case, it can be different. Now here you can set the time manually in the very same way. So once you set date and time, restart your TV. And to do that, hold down the power button, then select OK, then wait for your TV to turn off, and then give it a couple more seconds, then press power button once again to turn it on, and wait until your TV turns on. And once your TV is restarted, try checking your web services and see if they work for you right now. Okay, as I can see, YouTube works just fine, so we do not need anything here. But instead, if this didn't fix the problem for you, then first of all check if other devices around you that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network can actually use it for web surfing. So try it on your smartphone or your laptop or your tablet, and if all of them, or if just one of them at least can use the network connection for web surfing, then this means that the problem is lays within your either within your TV or within compatibility, or there is some other kind of connection problem that you're facing. So first of all, put aside all the wireless network using devices from your TV. So I mean your tablet, your laptop, your smartphone, your speaker, or anything else that may use wireless connection, because it may interfere with your TV and Wi-Fi connection. Then if this doesn't help, then try to restart your router and try power recycling your TV. So this is done in the very same way as when we try to restart as when we restarted our TV before, but you also have to unplug your TV from the power outlets after you turn it off and leave it like this for about a minute, then plug it back into the outlet and then power it on, and then check your internet connection once again. Now, if this doesn't help, then maybe the network band is the problem. So let's go back to settings. Then go to network and internet, and if you see that your network is using 5G connection type, then try instead connecting to the regular network which uses 2.4 gigahertz connection. So just select this network, then enter a password to it, and try to connect to it instead and see if it works for you. And after that, if this doesn't help you, or maybe if your network isn't split in two, then you can actually do that through your router settings. So if you know how to do that, or if you know somebody who does, then ask them to split to split your network into two bands, so that you can actually try this step. And also the problem may be that your TV is simply incompatible with your router. Maybe your router is simply too old, and in order to check it out, you're gonna have to create a portable hotspot on your smartphone and try to connect your TV to it. So create a portable hotspot on your smartphone, then go to see all networks here, and then try checking your checking if there is your portable hotspot. If once you see it, select it, provide a password to it, try to connect to it, and if your TV works with it, then it means that this is simply a compatibility problem between your TV and your Wi-Fi router. But if it cannot connect to your mobile hotspot too, then in such case the problem is most probably either some other issue in the software, or maybe this is a hardware problem. However, as a last resort, you can simply perform a factory reset operation on your TV. So in order to perform factory reset operation on your TV, go to the system menu in your settings and select and then go to about, and in about you're gonna have to select reset option, and then confirm by selecting reset once again, then confirm, and then you're gonna have to select delete everything. Yeah, so if you have some important data on your TV, so back it up to your pen drive, and after that perform the factory reset operation, and then try reconnecting your TV to the Wi-Fi once again. If this doesn't work for you even after a factory reset, then in such case the reason must be some hardware problem, and in this case just contact Panasonic customer support service and let them take care of this situation for you. And so that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.